Okay, rant incoming. Just because you think that somebody is committing a fraud based on maybe, I don't know, 10 or 20 seconds of observing somebody doing something doesn't mean that it's actually occurring, okay? And it doesn't really matter. Your feelings don't matter in this equation if you want to be taken seriously. And I can say that um, while also siding with people who are suggesting there's rampant fraud in something like daycare centers in Minnesota. Okay. Those two statements can be true at the same time. Okay. I want to be perfectly clear. When I take a step back and I think about why people are so pissed off these days, it's because they've kind of like lost faith in the system. And I don't blame them because they're not wrong. I mean, they're trying to reconcile their checkbook with what they see reported in terms of something like inflation on TV, and these jackasses trying to convince the general public that inflation isn't cumulative. Like, you pay for things on a rate of change basis. It's so stupid. Okay, that's unfortunate, and I see a lot of people who are really, really struggling. Okay, really struggling. It's basically like people right at the very top, typically older and or affluent people. We're talking like maybe 10% of the entire like population, and everybody below them or households is what it is. So I will say that it works until it doesn't. People can only lie for so long. And either this results in, I would say, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a decent amount of deflation. Not suggesting that's a bad thing. Or you start to see a lot of these Medicaid SNAP programs migrate up the income ladder to support that jackass realtor or lender or whoever it is out there who thinks they're all sorts of special in a box of chocolates. No, it's just the government has their backs. I feel like I am alive in probably the most selfish period, if not up there, as one of the most selfish periods in human history. Because we've conditioned people to be terrified of the most minor inconvenience